Yeah, I've been to all the students going to school this morning. Maybe and
Echoes.
father, dad and mom there with you. Apakah kina minivan, taxi beka, sort of taxi kornibuli.
Yeah.
Ni andra di bulu bina karmane. All the best and the buguni buli and sing bina kuah. Apakah kina bikin itumu-tumu dan besus and the teachers. Kita sama ni bina kana budi tabi yang gerabi. And the singer bugululu bina kuah. Ada bina ka Eleanor, ada bina ka Demis.
Good morning, good morning. Wayan we communicate saran teachers this beautiful morning that are maybe boarding the bus to go to school, and also to the students. Now, especially when it comes to kindergarten and class 1 students,
Yeah.
sometimes they face difficulty in writing,
Yeah.
in like grasping the concept
Right.
that the teacher is teaching them.
Di Nasara.
So what can we do as a parent? Because everything
Yeah.
is put on Viber.
Yeah.
So
Now?
yes,
Oi.
every school I believe has a Viber group.
So each
Class
class.
Viber group.
Okay, you got how many kids going to school?
Yes.
So you'll have 3 Viber.
I have 3 Viber groups.
You'll be member of the 3 Viber
Right.
groups. Eh? Okay.
So
Demis, and
everything
you?
that they are happening in school,
Yeah.
the parents know what the kids are being taught in school.
Are you also in the Viber?
I'm Viber.
Right.
So 2 eh? 2 Viber groups eh?
Ha.
Ako na roya kile chukwe bale.
Yeah.
Ke chukwe tale 5 ko sin kile chukwe bale.
Klebe bale mele buna kau tahu lagi na. Medala tena blessing.
Anda benak kalian benak to all our friends tuning from overseas. Anda benak Father Sevex kerto no milala da sebesar chube okalan di Selandi.
Right.
Lu bebiti pen be seburburan ni anda di mata benak mata benak di kuah. Apakah kini bikin ni sebesar tuma Europe. Apakah bullying ande ngito mata kini taka en mata ivolurongo
Right.
di Britania. Okay, our program this morning is all about debate
Okay.
between the boy and the girl.
Alright.
So, demi si mata kaya no mata ni kuah.
Mine.
Okay, for example,
For example.
during the weekend.
Ha.
So, mom and dad have their weekends off. Eh?
Yes.
They'll be home
Okay.
during the weekend. Who will look after the kids?
Mom obviously will have to do the housework. So cooking because Monday to Friday, mommy is at work.
Yeah.
So on Saturday, this is the only day that mommy will take the beddings outside
Yeah.
to the sun, and also the cleanup,
Yeah.
like major cleanup, not the minor ones.
Yeah.
Major cleanup, mopping and scrubbing of all the rooms in the house,
Yeah.
and the laundry, washing of clothes and everything.
Well,
So daddy, I
busy
think
sarang mommy.
yes, mommy is always busy on Saturday.
Yeah.
Dad doesn't have a lot of work, so I think dad has to go help mommy
Yeah.
with the kids.
Who said dad don't have a lot of work? Who said?
Because daddy are always laying down.
Facebooking.
Melang down wala mo de dili sa hilna meteres ko sa
Watching
singan.
sports.
Meng kain tapo bio de dili ko sa ko tena meteres.
Ele mo tula mo no andong tabo, daddy don't tabo Italia.
Ano
Jadi mana kan tuntap tu bedo.
ano na ka talinggo si Melin yung matay walu.
Okay, what's your take on that? Demis, what's
For
your
myself,
opinion on that?
daddy have a lot of work to do.
Right.
If mommy got a responsible for the children to look,
Right.
Yeah.
and daddy got a responsible to look for mommy.
Mommy is old enough to look after herself.
Yeah.
It's daytime.
So you
mommy
want
has
to
to do
look
her
after
work.
mommy?
Luka mommy. Look mommy, look children.
So
Overall.
Okay.
Because
So what will you be doing?
we will be doing what mommy's doing.
So helping mommy carry the mattress, helping mommy carry the
Everything. Because
Okay.
everything mommy do, if we do it together, what will happen?
Yes, the work will be easy.
Easy. First, easy.
Right.
yeah.
Second is happy.
Yeah.
Right.
And another thing is lightly. And namaman na idola.
Okay.
Namaman na
Next
mommy.
will be sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think the dad will do and mommy will do?
For us, daddy,
Yeah.
if depend on how many children we have,
Okay.
Yeah.
and how many daughter, how many son.
Right.
If I got a son,
Okay.
come son, let's go on the titi.
Right.
So daughter will stay with mommy with the sasamaki, learning material. Au na kotidorwo na lepabuli ko na titi na were vital loni boys.
Lele Junior,
Yeah.
I'll go, or Demis Lele Junior,
Yeah.
I'll go and do the shopping.
Yeah.
It's Saturday. I have to do
Dahil
the
baka sa
shopping
mata ka
after
shopping
my
window
work.
shopping ka keda na daka.
I have to go to the market Before it closes.
Okay, what time you will leave home? 8 o'clock in the morning and be back at 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Mommy,
Yeah.
wait for Daddy. Yeah, the trust in the family
Yes.
is something that we need to carry every time.
It's
Yeah.
very important.
Very important.
Yes.
Trust is very hard to kept in the family.
Right.
Because some of us in our family, we never trust our partner because of the unwave story heard by some people that are doing that we kept on thinking that will happen to us.
Right.
Yeah.
If that trust is missing, the absenteeism of daddy from mommy will never occur. Ahora tu kino mami tu kino daddy. Sa me dava me wili dal.
Mama lagi tak.
I will never carry forward the opportunity. Tamay Rossi ni kambo ambul menaka. Awa. Yes,
Kaya
Kumar.
malay ko na din daw boy liw boy.
Nangonongo, if you think, if we think life is because now if you step on the door,
Yeah.
the opportunity is there.
Messi-
Okay, buto nga
the
nakatumba.
Messi, yeah.
Ha? Come.
The Messi is a liku smell.
Abang ko hus. Seratoloy is tukuno seratoloy. It's very important to understand each other and trusting each other. See?
Yes,
Yeah.
true. So
See?
if mommy go to the market,
Yeah.
you relax. You
Okay.
just look after the baby.
Hold on.
Ma'am?
Eleanor, mommy.
Okay.
What if you are doing your work full time,
Right.
concentrating,
Yes.
and one time you look at the back and you see daddy looking. What will you do?
Throw the mug.
Mattress, huh?
Throw the mug.
Pero the mag mesin ko ito. Yeah, it's for mommy. For mommy.
Looking and
Eh?
smiling.
Banggu siya to ka na ni mata na.
Tataban to na buwerero, imtagi ko.
Penyo ni turanga. Way lolo na silibata kay chona turanga ni kanda mo doyan raminaka. Iya.
Ker ko do chika ni kandaw, ker.
Tu tamay Rossi
Pero
serika.
diyan mi kwenta may lenge.
Iya. Because
Yeah.
every time
But
mommy
what's the reason for you looking?
because you know the time mommy will leave the home.
Right.
If mommy will leave the home,
Yeah.
Right.
we all know mommy gone.
Lipstick and everything.
Ragay do na marama do talita ka na ukwe.
Yeah.
So if you stay there, but something.
What?
Yeah.
Nangonen tagay do call back kanikina. O we 04 to mommy.
Yeah.
Na mommy will never call.
Munron sinto ah.
Sinto me will ya. Apa na mo tatakin mongo?
Tugo na ta may make binaka dem sa taon din na may kaya bisa nga.
Sendi bilang nga.
Hey.
Hey, all the best to all the mommy and all the daddies out there. Thank you very much for the hard work. Thank you for
Right.
maintaining discipline all the time.
Yeah.
And help each other. We trust you. You will do.
Gary, tamay Rossi. Dems, let mommy go. Tell her to come after 2 days. Kemweli buke yono yan vinaka. Yan radem so daddy mekebeti mami nga ngoi mo ninuku na buke lebu kantabu.
Kay kebyo mami. Ako kala na luna eclipse na bida na pula mengo sa nambasi ka nimbungin ko. John
Apedi
Kumar.
di turanga yan vinaka na silva ta kay chone turanga ni kandabu. Apollo Siranuai. Hey, I look after you and your mommy. My showered back Park Alberta, my Canada.
Yeah.
Emoriti na Waikoro. Doyan binaka. Talafalava Cody. Saya mata kumain mata kan iko. Wais
Eh, tamalian rabi na ka.
Just
Josa
tuilangi.
tuilawat kiking. Ko di tuinet sam sartu may apya sa mo ang na no ko tu ni kamutun dalan ni baliliw.
Yeah.
Kay tambaki resum butura tuirara. O ko di tuinet.
Oy.
Ko la.
Anjina.
Mel na lebu. Isa. Merengoro. Pinabaliw.
Ano nak? Wiki mo kanda. Gasya tayo sa video hat mo tayo no mo like.
Ngo.
Era matang ni ko.
Imuch. Right.
John Kumar ano ba friend? Okay, tomorrow all the best. Go Kurumundo.
Awak salah ko po
Ellen
mami.
the money.
Salah ko po mami. Salah ko mami kambura karo